Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Milestech. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up Stark VPN Reloaded in all countries on all networks for a fast, a secure, and a stable internet access for a secure connection browsing experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open so that we can interact more. Just comment your country, comment your network, comment your device's name. I'm going to give you the fastest server or the SNI for Stark VPN in that particular country. First step is to like this tutorial. Second step is to subscribe. Third step is to open Google Play Store. And then once you're in Google Play Store, you're going to come and then search Stark VPN Reloaded. This is the application I was talking about. Make sure to download this application, download the latest update, and then after downloading it, open. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, after downloading it, you will be required to join the Telegram channel, allow all permissions, including notification permission, and then you're going to come where you see OK, because we have updated, and then check right there. First step, we are going to set this application in two ways. We're going to use the custom settings. We are going to also use other settings. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to start up without using the custom settings. I'm going to be using the servers. We're going to come right here where you see, I'm going to go step by step, that even if you have never set up an application, now this tutorial is yours. Come where you see none or direct, check right there, and then we're going to do one thing. Look for your country's server by scrolling. You'll be looking for your country's server, and then we will be connecting directly on that server. For example, I'm going to try to connect to one of the servers right here in one country. Let me try to choose a server right here. Let me try to look for one server right here, and then we shall go in the next step of using the custom settings. Can first check update before connecting and wait for it to check until you see a message that no update is available. Now that is an advert, it needs to be closed. Let me close it. Now I'm going to come, and then we're going to use this one, UDP tunnel, free all net. Then you're going to come right here. Then you're going to accept the connection request. This application will be connecting on your device. Now that is the first method. You're going to come right here where you see add more time. Then check watch an advert. You'll be required to watch more time, to add more time by watching an advert. Right here it is connected because it is using a UDP. Because it's using UDP protocol. That's UDP protocol, all networks, all countries. If yours fails to connect, clear the app data, reconnect again, connect to that server, then that is it. Next step, you're going to first disconnect it, and then you're going to come. That is the first step. Alright, how do you see I make another tutorial for that step? Because another step is more time consuming. Yeah. We're going to meet in the next tutorial for the next step. Don't forget to subscribe, share. I'm going to drop it by this week. I'm going to be dropping the settings for this application using the next step, because the next step is the most secure one. So if you are in Uganda and it has failed to connect, I repeat, inbox me on WhatsApp. I activate your SIM card to KYC so that you can enjoy with your friends. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.